Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Klarna on booking.com. So let's get into the video. So open up booking.com, and then what you're going to do, you're going to normally just search for a stay or a flight or whatever that you want to choose. So for example, like search a flight, just make a booking. So for example here I'm just going to use this for a demo. So I'm going to reserve on this place here. So I'm just going to go and then for example just select the place. Okay, so I'm gonna reserve, so let me hit on reserve. Okay, so when you click on reserve, so this will take you to the next booking page here. So we're just gonna go there, and then what we're gonna do, so when we get to the next page here, the booking page here, so here you just need to plug in the details of your personal details. Just get that done, everything. Once all that's done, go to the next process. Go to the payment section here, so just proceed to the next page, next session, and then when you get to your payment section here, so what are you going to do, once this loads, so you're on your payment section here. So now what we're going to do, you're going to choose this payment option here. So when this loads here, so you're going to choose how do you want to make the payment. So for example, if I'm going to use so who would like to pay, so I have these different types of payment options here, and then different types of cards available here. So now based on your region, so if your region supports Klarna, or if this place here accepts Klarna, then you will see the Klarna card option here. So under these cards here you will see Klarna, or you will see under the payment method here, like how I have a Google Pay option here, because I have this Google Pay option in my region. So since my region is not eligible for Klarna, I don't have the Klarna option, but you just have to see. And if your region, if you're depending on the market you are in, if it supports Klarna, then just plug in the details of your Klarna, just choose Klarna option, and then you can proceed with this booking and complete it. So that's pretty much it is. How this information was helpful, I will see you in another video. Thank you.